Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 9 and 10. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Verify mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square in the interval 2, 4. So try to understand this question. We have to verify the mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. X square is a quadratic equation, you know, dear students, quadratic polynomial. And you know, all polynomial functions are what? Continuous and differentiable. Got it? So that means given function is what? Continuous and what? Differentiable. So now we can write this one. Given function f of x is equal to x square is being a polynomial, so it is continuous on closed interval 2, 4. See, closed interval, square bracket you have to use, and differentiable on open interval. See the difference between closed interval and open interval. Open interval we will write in this form, and closed interval in a square brackets or rectangle bracket or big bracket, how we will say, you see this. So now we know that we have a formula, verify mean value theorem. We have to find the value of c here, dear students. We have f dash of c, formula for mean value theorem. F dash of c is what? F of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, dear students. I have to find what? F of b. F of b means what? B value is how much, dear students? Can you see b value? A is 2, b is 4. So now I can put b value as 4. So you compare with f of x. F of x and f of 4. In the place of x, what it is here? 4 is there or not? So then I can write it as what? 4 square. 4 square, why I wrote? Here x square is there. I am replacing x by 4, dear students. This has become 4 square. 4 square is how much? 16 or not? So 16 we can write. Now f of a we can find. F of a value is how much, dear students? Can you see? A value is 2 or not? So a value we can write it as 2 here. So compare again f of x and f of 2. In place of x, 2 is there. You replace x by what? 2. So then we can write it as 2 square. 2 square means how much? 4, dear students. So now I have to find what? F of x now. F dash of c. So first we will find f dash of x. Now f of x is what, dear students? X square it is. Yes or no? F of x is what? X square. So I have to find here what? F dash of x. So derivative of f of x is what? F dash of x you can write. X square derivative is what? X square derivative is 2x, dear students. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now I have to find what? F dash of c or not? So you call this as equation number 1. F dash of c I have to find. In place of x, what we have to replace? We have to replace by what? C, dear students. I have to find f dash of c means I will replace x by c. Here also it will replace by what? X by c. F dash of c is becoming 2c. Understood? In place of x, I am putting here c. So that's why 2x has become 2c. Understood? So now we will substitute all these values in equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes what you see here. Equation 1. F dash of c is there. F dash of c is how much, dear students? 2c. F of b is how much? Can you see? F of b is what? 16. 16 I can write. Minus sign is the middle. Minus sign I wrote. F of a is how much, dear students? F of a is 4. 4 I can write. Whole divided by b minus a. B is how much? 4 minus a is how much? 2. I can write 2. So 2c is equal to 16 minus 4 is how much? 16 minus 4 is 12, dear students. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, dear students. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, I am saying. Got it? So now see, 2c is equal to how much you got? 6, and c value will become how much? 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So c value is becoming equal to 3. So c 3 will come between 2 and 4 or not? So that's why our answer is what? 2 comma 4, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. So if you are understanding the video, please like the button. So we will continue with the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. Let us see the next question, dear students. Please like the channel, don't forget. So let's see. Differentiate log x raised to cos x with respect to x. So now see, I will write here. First we will give the name for the given function. You have to find what here? Differentiate, he has told. Differentiate what? Log x raised to cos x with respect to x, he has told. With respect to x. For this, we will give the name for the given function, dear students. I will give the name for that. Y is equal to log x raised to cos x. Log x raised to cos x, we are giving the name as y, dear students. I have to find here dy by dx. Differentiate means what? We have to find here derivative of the given function. So dy by dx we have to find means first see, function raised to function is there. Log x is also function and cos x is also function, dear students. Function raised to function is there means we will apply what? Log both sides. So applying log both sides. Applying log both sides, dear students. So if you apply log both sides, what will happen? Y will become log y, because you are applying log both sides, dear students. So now see, log of log x raised to cos x. Understood? Both side I am applying log. Don't write only log x raised to cos x. Log of log x raised to cos x, dear students. Clear? Huh? So now see, log y I will write as it is. Log y I will write as it is. Now try to understand. Log a raised to b. It is looking like log a raised to b. A means log x, b means cos x. Log a raised to b. Do you know or not? Formula I will write here. Log a raised to b. Log a raised to b. Formula is b log a, dear students. Formula is b log a. Now in place of, see, compare this, log a raised to b. Log a raised to b. A means log x, b means cos x. So cos x will come from, b means what? Cos x. I can write cos x here. Log a means what? Log x or not? So log of log x. Clear? Everyone, it is clear? So now I have to take the derivative of this one now. Differentiate with respect to x, dear students. So log y derivative. Log y is looking like how? Log x or not? You also know, I also know. It is not x, but it is looking like log x or not? So log x derivative is what? 1 by x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Here log y is there, 1 by y. But it is not x, no? It is not x means you have to take the derivative of y, dear students. Derivative of y is how much? That is dy by dx. I had already told you, if variables are different, y is different, x is different, means it will join with what? Differential operator. So dy by dx with respect to what you are doing, no? That will come down here. Dy by dx. And now I have to take the derivative of cos x into log of log x. Now cos x into log of log x. How this is looking, you know? This is called as, cos x is called as u and log of log x is called as v, dear students. Cos x is called as u and log of log x is called as v. It is looking like u into v, dear students. U into v. U into v formula, you know? U into v. U is written as is. Derivative of v you have to take. V is written as is, derivative of u you have to take. Clear? U into V formula is u you have to write as is. You have to take the derivative of V. Next you have to write plus V as is and you have to take the derivative of u. Both derivative you have to take, but one you have to keep as is only. This is a rule. Now see, cos x is written as is. U means cos x is written as is u. You have to consider this as u and this as v. Now I have to take the derivative of what? Log of log x. Log of log x is looking like log x, dear students. You also know, I also know, this is not x, but it is looking like what? Log x. Log x derivative is what? Log x derivative is what? 1 by x or not? But this is not x, you know that. Log of log x, you have told log x it is. Log x derivative is 1 by x. And x is what? Log x only. And log x is not x, you know, dear students. What is log x derivative? Log x derivative is 1 by x, dear students. Once again I will repeat. This is looking like log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. In place of x, log x is there or not? In place of x, I had written log x only. Log x derivative, it is not x means you have to take the derivative of log x derivative is 1 by x. Clear? So now plus v means what? What is v? Log of log x, dear students. V I can write log of log x. I hope you have written this formulas. I will erase because I need the space, dear students. Sorry for inconvenience. So now I have to take the derivative of cos x now. Cos x derivative is what? Minus sin x, dear students. I hope it is clear, very clear. So now see, y cross multiply, y will come up. This side dy by dx, y cross multiply, y will come up. So what is remaining inside now? Cos x into 1, cos x into 1 is cos x. Log x into x, x log x. 90% of the students will write log x into x is log x square. No, dear students, don't multiply x into x. You have to multiply x into log x, x into log x. Clear? Don't write log x square. It is wrong. So now see, plus into minus, minus sin x I will bring front. Sin x, what is remaining? Log of log x is remaining. Maximum students will think question is over. No, dear students, still it is not over. Why it is not over? Because something we have missed. What is missed, you know? Y value you have to substitute. Y is what? Log x raised to cos x or not? We have to substitute that, dear students. So therefore dy by dx will become what? What is the y value? Log x raised to cos x. Log x raised to cos x. Please don't forget in exam. Otherwise some of the lecturers will remove your marks, dear students. When you will score more than 95 or 99, 100, when you will score, that time they will check it. So cos x divided by x log x, dear students, minus sin x into log of log x, dear students. I hope it is clear. So this is your required answer, dear students. I hope you understood the video. So if you are liking the video, please like and subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.